In this video, I'll show you how to turn on repost notifications tailored for you on xcom, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. If you want more personalized push alerts, so you only see the notifications that matter most, this is the setting you need. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open x.com or Twitter and log into your account. On the left-hand navigation bar, click More. This will open up additional options and settings that aren't shown in the main menu. From there, click Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look for Notifications and click on it. This is where you control how the platform sends you alerts about activity, mentions, reposts, and more. Next, click Preferences. In the Preferences section, choose Push Notifications. This menu lets you manage which alerts are sent directly to your device. Now scroll until you find the Reposts section. Under that section, you'll see the option labeled Tailored for you. Toggle that option on. Once it's enabled, your repost notifications will be personalized based on your activity and interests. And that's it. You've successfully turned on tailored repost notifications on x.com or Twitter. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials on the channel.